Good morning, this is Jack from Charging the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market roll-up for the morning of Thursday, the 15th of January. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, crypto. Okay, seems like, frankly, many weeks ago, but actually only about 2 weeks ago, I was saying that, or at least, 3 at most. I was talking about this bear flag possibly expanding, and I was talking about it getting up to the resistance trend line here, which is now at about the 97.6 area, I think. We've made it up to 97.9, and we have hit the trend line, and this is where I was expecting it to go before it reversed back down. So my first thought is we're likely to be topping out here. We will see how that goes. After that, well, it's a bear flag. Next obvious target would be a move down into the 80.6 area, and after that, I'm thinking we might make it down to the main support area here, which is this low here in the 74.4 area from April. All right, looking at Solana. Solana, we've got weekly chart. Obviously, we've had 3 weeks of green closes at the moment. On the daily chart, we've got a possible RSI 5 sell signal brewing here. We're up at the daily upper band. In terms of the where I was looking for here, I was thinking that we were probably going to get up, break up from the double bottom, which is at 146.91. We made it over yesterday. We've got a little double top here, which is trying to break down. It's only small, so I'm thinking we'd probably get a larger top pattern form. So, but I'm liking the downside. It's looking pretty good. So we will see how it goes. But this has made my target. Ethereum, I didn't really have a target. But I was thinking, obviously, we'd get back the 50 DMA, then we get the daily middle band, and then we would see what we were forming here. I was wondering if that would be a triangle, and so far we're making a lower high against this high here at 34.5503. We'll see. But it doesn't actually need to go any higher, and it really doesn't need to get up to this trend line here I'd drawn in. There are other options, so we will see. My first option would actually probably be up at about the 3500 area. I am thinking we might make that. No current negative divergence. The only negative divergence really we've got on the charts at the moment is the daily RSI 5 on sell signal brewing on Solana, but we will see. Obviously, we've got a potential little head and shoulders here on Ethereum, which I'm watching. So really, we have reached the price area I was looking for on really across the board. We don't need to go any higher. We could go a bit higher, but this is this kind of area I was looking down for a reversal on the bear flags, and we will see whether we get it. All right, great. Let's have a quick look at questions, of which we have none. On Solana, how do you tell between a double top, between it being a rounding bottom? Well, a rounding bottom obviously is a reversal back up, and a double top is a reversal downwards. So they're actually facing in the opposite directions. In terms of the double top here, this is the double top. It's only small. We've got first high here at 148.33, second high here at 148.39, sustained break below 143.34, which has been tested, but hasn't delivered a firm breakdown yet. Would be looking for about the 138.3 area. In terms of it being a rounding bottom, arguably, I guess. So certainly the difference here we've got on Solana is that Solana actually broke down from the bear flag and made target. Neither Bitcoin nor Ethereum did that. This could be a rounding bottom, but I don't think it is. I think this is really this is an alternative flag setup, which is basically a double bottom that breaks up and fails. Now, if it makes target, that's a different story. A sustained breakup over, well, the target area would be in about the 171 to 176 area. But at the moment, I'm not seeing anything to suggest it will make that target. We will see. All right, great. My pleasure as always. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Cheers.